Hey, Kevin.
So what are we looking at here?
So we are looking at some beautiful Cape Ann granite.
Cape Ann granite. All just sort of random blocks laid up here, mortared now. Was it mortared originally?
So randomly laid, probably mortared after the fact. You can see below grade you don't get as much mortar.
Yep.
And that's where I'm going to start my attack.
Okay, and so what is your attack? You got to bust through this. How are you going to handle that?
So what I'm going to try to do, because it is a foundation, I don't want to go crazy with an electric jackhammer or anything like that. So I'm actually going to use my hand tools. I'm going to try to break the mortar. I'm going to take out as much mortar as I can, try to loosen the stones. And then just one by one, I'm either going to use a crowbar, I'm going to use a pick, I'm going to use my sledgehammer, whatever I have to use to kind of get one out at a time.
And then once they're out, I mean, this is old. You're going to have to shore this up, rebuild it. What are you going to do?
So as I said, I'm going to go one at a time, so I'll decide as I'm going if I need to shore it. I don't think so, because our hole isn't going to be that big. I think Charlie needs about a foot this way,
okay,
to make his hole. So.
All right, well, let's see you work your magic.
All right, let's go. All right, so I'm finding just what I wanted to, which is soft mortar. So once I get as much out as I can, I'm going to end up finding this rock is going to be loose, and that's where I'm going to start to take it all out.
Something's moving. There's half of it.
All right. So Kevin, get rid of this. All right, I think this rock is holding this guy down, so if you can get that out. Yep. All right. So we want to undermine this big stone. This guy's got to come for us. Here we go.
Oh, yeah.
So that's the key right there. Now, everything else we're going to want to drop down, and then by the time we get to the top, it should fall for us.
Nope. There. Nice one. What are we doing?
All right.
Okay.
All right. I'm going this way.
Okay.
I got it.
Through?
Yeah.
Unlock this guy.
Oh.
Nice.
Muzzle in.
Ah, that's it. Got your feet. Let me.
Oh, that was your leverage. All right.
What do you think of that size hole?
All right, so big enough, I'm sure, for Charlie, but he'll have to come back and make sure he doesn't want to shore it. He does want to shore it up. But other than that, we're good.
Okay, love it.
All right.
Nice job. Thank you.
You too, Kevin.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.